AI technology is evolving faster than ever, and some of the gadgets launching in 2026 are almost impossible to believe. From smart wearables to futuristic AI devices, here are 20 incredible innovations that could change everyday life. Sony REON Pocket Pro Plus. Imagine staying perfectly cool in the summer and comfortably warm in the winter, all without touching your thermostat. The Sony REON Pocket Pro Plus uses intelligent AI to automatically adjust its temperature based on your activity and surroundings. Just wear it around your neck, and it quietly keeps you comfortable wherever you go. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working outdoors, this futuristic wearable feels like having your own personal climate control system. iFLYTEK P1 Pro. Imagine recording a meeting and getting instant notes, speaker recognition, and a complete AI-generated summary before it's even over. The iFLYTEK P1 Pro makes that possible with real-time transcription, multilingual translation, and intelligent voice recognition. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, it saves hours of manual work and keeps everything perfectly organized. It's like having a smart AI assistant that never misses a single detail. Razer Project Motoko. What if your headset could understand the world around you before you even ask? Razer Project Motoko is a futuristic AI wearable that uses smart cameras and real-time computer vision to recognize objects, read text, and deliver helpful information instantly. Just speak naturally, and the built-in AI responds with useful answers through hands-free audio. While it's still a concept, this next-generation device offers an exciting glimpse into how AI wearables could transform everyday life. iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2. What if your notebook could listen, think, and organize everything for you? The iFLYTEK AINOTE Air 2 combines the natural feel of writing on paper with powerful AI features like real-time transcription, instant summaries, and smart translation. It automatically syncs your handwritten notes with voice recordings, so nothing gets lost. Whether you're in a meeting, classroom, or brainstorming session, this AI notebook turns ideas into organized information with almost no effort. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra. What if you never had to vacuum your home again? The Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra uses intelligent AI navigation and LiDAR mapping to clean your entire house with impressive precision. It automatically avoids obstacles, targets dirty areas, and even empties itself into the base, so you can forget about daily cleaning. Whether you have pets, carpets, or hardwood floors, this smart robot vacuum keeps your home spotless with almost zero effort. Samsung Galaxy Ring. What if a tiny ring could tell you more about your health than a smartwatch? The Samsung Galaxy Ring packs advanced AI-powered sensors into a sleek titanium design, tracking your sleep, heart rate, activity, and recovery around the clock. Galaxy AI analyzes your data to deliver personalized health insights and an energy score that helps you understand your daily readiness. It's a futuristic wearable that makes staying healthy smarter, simpler, and completely effortless. Lumistar Carry. What if your backpack could follow you wherever you go? The Lumistar Carry is an AI-powered robotic carrier that automatically tracks your movements, avoids obstacles, and hauls heavy gear without breaking a sweat. Whether you're traveling, camping, shopping, or working outdoors, it acts like a smart personal assistant on wheels. With intelligent navigation and hands-free convenience, this futuristic robot could completely change the way you carry your everyday essentials. Comulytic Note Pro. Imagine never having to take notes during a meeting again. The Comulytic Note Pro uses powerful AI to record conversations, create accurate transcripts, identify speakers, and generate instant summaries in seconds. It even supports over 100 languages, making it perfect for business, travel, and everyday productivity. Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, this smart AI recorder helps you capture every important detail without missing a thing. ANFIER AI Workout Machine. What if you had a personal trainer that never sleeps? The ANFIER AI Workout Machine uses advanced AI to analyze your performance, adjust resistance in real time, and create workouts tailored specifically to you. From strength training and cardio to recovery sessions, it delivers a complete gym experience in one compact device. With smart coaching and automatic progress tracking, this futuristic fitness machine makes working out smarter, more effective, and surprisingly convenient. HOVERAir AQUA. Most drones can't survive a splash, but the HOVERAir AQUA is built to take off, land, and even float on water. Powered by intelligent AI tracking, it automatically follows your movements while capturing stunning stabilized 4K footage with almost no effort. Whether you're surfing, kayaking, or exploring the outdoors, this compact drone is designed for adventure. It's a futuristic flying camera that makes cinematic videos easier than ever. EarlySincere 4K AI Glasses. What if your glasses could record 4K video, translate conversations, and answer questions with AI, all while looking like ordinary eyewear? The EarlySincere 4K AI glasses combine hands-free recording, real-time language translation, and smart voice assistance into one sleek device. Whether you're traveling, creating content, or handling daily tasks, these futuristic glasses make everything easier without reaching for your phone. It's wearable AI that feels like a glimpse into the future. TCL Note A1 NXTPAPER. What if your tablet felt just like writing on real paper, but with the power of AI? The TCL Note A1 NXTPAPER combines a paper-like display with intelligent productivity tools that help you write, organize notes, and stay focused without eye strain. Whether you're studying, sketching, or managing work, it delivers a smooth and natural writing experience. It's a smart digital notebook that brings the best of paper and AI together in one sleek device. MOFLIN AI Robot Pet. What if a robot could actually learn your personality and respond with real emotions? The MOFLIN AI Robot Pet is an adorable AI-powered companion that reacts to your voice, touch, and daily interactions, becoming more unique over time. The more you spend time with it, the more its personality evolves. Whether you're looking for comfort, companionship, or simply a glimpse of the future, this intelligent robot proves that AI can feel surprisingly lifelike. SwitchBot Smart Video Doorbell. What if your doorbell could recognize visitors, watch over your packages, and alert you before anyone even knocks? The SwitchBot Smart Video Doorbell uses AI-powered motion detection, crystal clear 2K video, and color night vision to keep your home protected around the clock. You can talk to visitors from anywhere using two-way audio and receive instant smart alerts on your phone. It's like having a personal AI security guard watching your front door 24/7. DJI Neo. What if anyone could capture cinematic drone footage without learning how to fly? The DJI Neo uses intelligent AI tracking to automatically follow you, keeping every shot smooth and perfectly framed. Weighing just 135 grams, it can launch right from your palm and record stunning stabilized 4K video with ease. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or creating content, this compact AI drone makes professional-looking aerial videos easier than ever. Hypershell X Ultra S. What if climbing steep hills felt almost effortless? The Hypershell X Ultra S is an AI-powered wearable exoskeleton that intelligently supports your leg movements, reducing fatigue while hiking, trekking, or exploring challenging terrain. Its smart motion system adapts in real time, giving you extra power exactly when you need it. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and titanium, this futuristic wearable feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, except you can actually wear it today. ANFIER M3. Imagine talking to someone in another language as if you both spoke the same one. The ANFIER M3 AI Translator earbuds deliver fast, real-time translation across multiple languages while also working as premium wireless earbuds. Whether you're traveling, attending business meetings, or chatting with new people, they help break language barriers instantly. And that's our list of the 20 most incredible AI gadgets transforming 2026. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI innovations and future tech.